Hi friends! Welcome to Color Buddies. Let's draw something super fun together. Can you guess what activity our capybara friend is doing? We'll start with a big round head, sitting nice and calm. Let's add her body sitting cross-legged on a mat. Now, draw her arms resting gently on her knees. First clue. This activity helps you relax and breathe deeply. Let's add a little smile and her closed eyes. Draw the mat she's sitting on. Second clue, this is something people do in nature, sitting quietly like this. Now let's add a few flowers and trees around her. Draw the sun and fluffy clouds to complete the calm scene. Awesome! We just drew a capybara practicing yoga. She looks so peaceful and relaxed. What color do you think we'll use for the capybara's fur? Here's a clue. It's the color of chocolate. Is it brown, green, or yellow? That's right, it's brown! Such a cozy and cuddly color. Let's color her mat purple and the flowers in bright yellows and oranges. Now, what color should we use for her scarf? It's the color of a tangerine. Is it red, orange, or blue? Yes, orange. That's such a happy choice. Color the background with greens for the trees and soft blue for the sky. You finished coloring this relaxing scene. Cappy looks so calm and happy. You did a wonderful job. Now, time for a 3D transformation. Stretch, breathe, and poof! Ah, Cappy is so chill and adorable. What a peaceful pose. So cute and so stretchy. Great work. What capybaras should we draw next? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and come back for more Color Buddies.